Thank you for buying this large slat wall display from Fixture Displays. The item number is 10112-1. These are all the components. We have the hardware, 4 hider pieces, they are identical, and 3 slat wall panels. The main panel, left and right side panel. The holes are all pre-drilled and have embedded nuts in them. To assemble, we want to set up the main panel and then align the 3 holes on the setup panel to that of the main panel size. I'm going to simply insert 3 machine screws and fasten them into the main panel. Likewise, we're going to do the other side. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. At this stage, we can flip the display and install the levelers. Certainly, you could install the levelers when you just opening up the box when the parts are flat as well. Installation of the headers are fairly simple. Remove the release liners and measure your slat wall panels on the top and make sure you center that properly and then stick them out. Likewise, we can do the other 3 sides. Fixture Display design and manufacture many different consumer and business products. If you have a project, we'd love to quote you. Dimensions, left to right is 38.5 inches, front to back 23.7 inches. Overall height is 60.5 inches. This display weighs 90 pounds. We now put it on a spinner to allow you to see how it rotates and how it looks on all sides. Spinner is not part of the purchase. Once again, I want to thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.